lang di.
So what is up guys? Mabuhay! This is me, your Sir Cute. Welcome sa panibagong araw na naman na puno ng masasarap katulad ko.
lang di.
And welcome sa panibagong episode na naman ng ating breakfast cereal. So for today's menu, para sa araw na ito, ang ating kakainin ay ating gawi. Meron tayong bihon, meron tayong skinless itlog, lastly meron tayong bihon. Let's put some lemon. So there you have it. Ito na ang ating kakainin. So without further ado, let's get started. I put some spicy sili para sa ating bihon. Diba? Perfect. Hindi naman siya na-feel ko pala yung ama. Anyways guys, it's a record. 7 a.m. 7 a.m. tayo nag-breakfast for today's video. Lapad! By the way guys, I would like to shout out si June, Ate Benilyn from Catanduanes, and Coach Mix guys, Amalin from Catanduanes as well. Thank you so much for watching our breakfast series. Thank you guys. Sarap. Guys, please don't forget to don't talk if your mouth is full. Huwag din akong gagayahin. Please don't forget guys to share. Power share nyo na to. Hayaan yung hindi lang kayo ang mainggit sa gutom. Dapat maraming tao. Guys, ang location namin pala, Purok 6 Bugtong, Legazpi City. Puntahan nyo na lang. And malapit sa kinukuhaan ng mga buhangin. Sakto. That is why we start early kasi wala pa naman na bumibili. Kanina pa. Let's took the opportunity. Also shout out kay kay Janela, kay Maita, kay Nino, kay Idel, and kay Mark Joseph. Anyways guys, content creator. Actually, this is not a new thing to me guys. Nahihiya lang talaga ako before. But ever since 2021, it's 2020. When I started streaming guys on Facebook. Ang ini-stream ko pa noon is the mobile games. It's a Mobile Legend guys. Then I stopped 2022, I think. It's 2022 when I stopped streaming guys. Or 2021. That's a year after. But in my heart, please don't forget to share my stream guys. My videos and like my page. Let's go 10k followers within this year. That's actually my goal. Sana pala rin. I currently have 5,600 followers guys. So I may reach 6,000 this month. Okay, ubos na natin yung dangag, skinless, and egg. Gusto na lang natin yung bihon. Starting yesterday, we start uploading our vlog every 8 p.m. in the afternoon guys. Abangan nyo na lagi pag nag-aalas 3. It's the time na ma-upload ang ating videos. So it's always a challenge to me since I am the subject. My subject, itong eating pa is another subject. But at the end of the day, I'm also an editor of my vlog. So I have no choice editing my videos. Yeah, it's not kinda it's not kinda the perfect edits that you want guys. It's something na lang natural kapag pasensya nyo ng mga edits ko. So that's it guys. Tapos na naman tayo ng ating Tuesday episode para sa ating breakfast series guys. So again, please don't forget to like and share this video guys, and also don't forget to follow me on my Facebook account. And also please don't forget, you may also subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, where I'm going to upload the whole episode of this video. So thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you again tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.